Don't fall down, I already fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I'm gonna have this look here for you guys.
Celebrate popping them bottles, the models, they watching the niggas they follow. They follow. Double G on my collar. Gucci, bitch say you already.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. And I'm going to be going in with a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe brush right here. And I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here. And just going to be placing it all over the eyelid. Once I'm done blending, I'm going to go in with this shade called MOCHA. It's like a darker brown. And I'm going to just place this in the crease and in the outer part of the crease just to make it dark. For the concealer today, I'm using the Glamour concealer in shade light and this Morphe lip brush and just trying to carve out the middle part of my crease.
Get down to the baseline.
Once I have done cutting the middle part of my crease, I am going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and going in with a darker brown. This is called Central Park. And I'm going to just place this in the inner part and the outer part of my eyelids. And just to kind of blend in the concealer in with the eyeshadow. I went in with a flat brush to just blend in that eyeshadow, and then going in with this brush right here and this Charlotte in Bloom palette. Going in with that white shade called Charmer and just going to be setting the concealer in place so it's nice and set and we could apply any other eyeshadow on top of it. Once I have set, I did go back in with the brown shade and just kind of redo it again. Just kind of place the brown in the inner corner and the outer V of the eye. And then I do go back in and blend it once again. I do go in with the Slay It palette. And this like goldy shade, I don't know how to describe it, but it's so bomb. And I'm gonna just place this in the where I cut the crease, just place it on the crease and just pack it in and make it bright because that's what you're going for. And shout out to Josie for giving me this palette. Like, girl, I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. And if you don't have it, girl, go buy this palette. It's so good, it blends good, and they're so pigmented. Then I go back in with the brown again, and then I do the same step again. I grab that brown and just apply it again so it looks nice and even. I didn't think the look was dark, so I did go in with the black. And I do the same step as I did with the brown, just I'm adding black this time and just kind of making it darker because I wanted it to be a little bit dark. So I did go in with black. And I went in and blended it. After you see the next clip, I'll have all my makeup done. I did my lashes and everything off camera, so you already know. Hey guys, and I went off camera and I did my eyeliner and my lashes and then my face off camera. So this is the end of the look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe. And I didn't do my face on camera because I just recently posted my everyday glam tutorial, which is basically the same thing. So I was like, no. And I did add black under my eyes. That's pretty much it. I only did those 3 things off camera because I felt it was unnecessary to do it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and see you guys next week.